In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Snapchat, and then to continue, just take a snap. Don't worry, we are not going to send it. It is necessary to be able to edit a shortcut. On the next step, hit Add Send To, and then you will be taken to that page where at the very top we can easily find all our shortcuts marked with that emojis. And then to edit any of these shortcuts, first off we need to hit right here at plus. It will pop up with that options here. We can see all our 3 shortcuts, and then to edit those shortcuts we just need to enter them. And then in this way we can add some users to that shortcut, and by toggling off users we can delete them. Once you are done with editing, just hit Add Save. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.